8 ones are 8. 8 fives are 40. 40 plus 2, 42. 2, 4 carry forward. 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 8, 32. 32 plus 10, 42. 42 plus 4, 46. 4 carry forward. 6 we'll write here. Then is 16 plus 40, 56. 56 plus 6, 62. 62 plus 4, 66. 6 carry forward. Then 56 plus 24 is 80. 80 plus 4 is 84. 84 plus 6 is 90. 0, 9 carry forward. 7 twos are 14. 14 2 eights are 16. 14 plus 16 is 30. 30 plus 9 is 39. 9 3 carry forward. 7 eights are 56. 56 plus 3 59. And the answer is 599066228. Hi, welcome to my channel. You just saw me performing multiplication of these two big numbers with the help of a trick, and you saw we got the answer in one line and much more faster than the convention multiplication. The convention multiplication is much more slower than the trick and it is much more lengthier. This is much more shorter way of getting the answer. So this trick can save a lot of time in exam. When we don't have much time for calculation, it saves a lot of time. So let's learn the trick. Watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Okay, so now let's learn the trick for multiplying any number by a 3-digit number. Now, in order to understand the trick properly, we have taken small numbers over here in the first example. But once we understand all the steps properly, in the next example, we will take a bigger number as well. Okay, so on the right hand side, I have written all the steps required for the trick. What we need to remember is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 1 means one line. 2 means two intersecting lines. 3 means three intersecting lines. 2 means two lines which are intersecting, and 1 means one line. And in the brackets I have written how to apply the trick, how to apply the steps, which we will see with the help of the example. So let's begin. First step, we have to take one number. Which number we have to take? Last digit of both the numbers. We have to take one number. And which number's last digit of both the numbers? So in the first number, which is the last digit, 1. And the second number, which is the last digit, 8. So we have to take 1 and 8. Last digit of both the numbers. So 1 and 8 we have to take. And then we have to multiply them. So we have to multiply these two. So it's 1 into 8. What is the answer? 8 is the answer, which is a single digit. So we will write it here. Is that clear? Now let's move on to step number 2. Step number 2 is last two digits we have to take. So of both the numbers, we have to take last two digits. So from last, which are the two digits of the first number? 61. And which are the two digits of the second number? 58. And we have to place this symbol. That is, we have to cross multiply them. I hope it is clear. So what we will do, 6 into 8. 6 into 8 plus 1 into 5. 1 into 5, that is 48 plus 5, 53. So we got two digits, 53, which we do not write over here. We never write two digits over here unless it is the last step. We only write the digit at the units place. Which is the digit at the units place? 3. So we will write down 3 over here. And which is the digit at the tens place? 5, which will be carry forward. तो जो भी tens place पे digit आएगा वो carry forward करते जाना है without fail. So we will write only 3 over here. So let's remove this part now and we will move on to step number 3. Which is step number 3? All possible 3 digits we have to take and we have to place this sign and we have to cross multiply. So all possible 3 digits we'll look into that in the next example. But over here there is only one possible 3 digit ka pair. So 261 is the first 3 digit of the first number and 458 is the only 3 digit of the second number. And in दोनों के बीच में कैसे करना है? We have to do like this. So basically we have to multiply 2 into 8, 4 into 1, 6 into 5. So it's 2 into 8 cross multiply plus 1 into 4 plus 6 into 5. That is what we have to do. So that comes to 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 30, 50. But do not forget the 5 which was carry forward. So plus 5, that comes to 55. We never write two digits, we write only the last one, that is units place का, and जो tens place का है वो carry forward होगा next step में. I hope it is clear. Now, the fourth step is we have to take first two digits. फोर्थ स्टेप में कितने डिजिट नंबर्स लेने हैं? दो नंबर्स लेने हैं, दो डिजिट्स लेने हैं. एंड कौन से लेने हैं? फर्स्ट टू डिजिट्स. सेकेंड स्टेप में लास्ट टू डिजिट्स लिए थे, फोर्थ स्टेप में फर्स्ट टू लेना है. सो इन द फोर्थ स्टेप व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल टेक द फर्स्ट टू डिजिट्स विच आर द फर्स्ट टू डिजिट्स ऑफ द फर्स्ट नंबर 26 and 45 of the second number, and we will perform cross multiplication. This sign we will put in between them. That is 2 into 5, 4 into 6. So 2 into 5 plus 4 into 6, that is 10, plus 24, that is 34. And do not forget the 5 which was carry forward, so it's 39. We will write 9 which is at the units place, and we will carry forward 3. I hope it is clear. And the last step is one number we have to take. Which number? First digit of both the numbers. So first digit of both the numbers, this step is similar to step number 1, जिसमें हम लोग ने लिया था last digit of both the numbers. यहाँ पे अभी first digit पे आ जाएंगे हम लोग, इन दोनों को multiply कर देंगे. 4 into 2 या फिर 2 into 4 which is 8. Never forget the carry forward, otherwise you will get wrong answer. Which is the carry forward? 3, so answer is 11. Now since it is the last step, there is no other step pending. We will not write only one, we will write the entire number, that is 11 here, and this is our answer, 1195338. I hope you all have understood the steps properly. Now many of you must be wondering that sir, these steps are very complicated, इससे अच्छा तो वो convention method ही है, but वैसा नहीं है. Once you practice these steps properly, all these calculation can be done in mind. जैसे मैंने किया था in the beginning of the video. मैंने तो इससे बड़ा नंबर मल्टीप्लाई किया था, वो भी ओरली किया था विद इन सेकेंड्स, एंड एक लाइन में आंसर आया था. आप भी वैसे कर सकते हो, थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस लगेगा. आफ्टर ऑल, प्रैक्टिस मेक्स मैन और वुमेन परफेक्ट, राइट? नाउ रिमेंबर दैट स्टेप नंबर 1, स्टेप नंबर 2, स्टेप नंबर 4 एंड 5 विल रिमेन सेम. जो इसमें 1, 2, 2, 1 वाले जो स्टेप्स है वो सेम रहेंगे सारे सम्स में. कौन से सारे सम्स में? जिसमें हम लोग कोई भी नंबर को 3 डिजिट से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, वो सारे सम्स में. बट जो स्टेप नंबर 3 है, इट माइट रिक्वायर वेरिएशन, इट माइट रिक्वायर डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशन फॉर डिफरेंट सम्स. इट्स नॉट दैट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, आई विल मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ सी, यहाँ पे तो 261 एंड 458 है, मतलब फर्स्ट नंबर में 3 डिजिट्स है एंड सेकेंड नंबर में भी 3 डिजिट है, मतलब 3 का 3 नंबर्स चाहिए, राइट? तो 3 नंबर्स होंगे तभी जाके ये स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म होगा. 1 2 3. सो 3 का सिर्फ एक ही पॉसिबल पेयर फॉर्म हो रहा है यहाँ पे, करेक्ट? सो देयर इज ओनली वन पॉसिबिलिटी यहाँ पे. बट फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर यहाँ पे 2615 होता इनटू 458, then what we would have done? We always start with right hand side. We always start with right hand side and move towards the left hand side. So 3 का सबसे पहला जो पेयर फॉर्म होगा वो क्या होगा? 615. So 615 को हम लोग 458 से मल्टीप्लाई करते. स्टेप नंबर 3 वाला मैं पार्ट बता रहा हूं, तो 1 2 3 लाइक दिस. उसके बाद एक डिजिट छोड़ देते, तो 5 को रिमूव कर देते यहां से, और हम लोग यहाँ पे 2 को इंक्लूड कर देते, तो क्या आ जाता? 261. और यहाँ पे तो सिर्फ 3 नंबर्स ही है, 3 डिजिट्स ही है, 458, तो उसको वैसे का वैसे लेना पड़ेगा, राइट? अगर सपोज यहाँ पे मैं एक डिजिट ऐड कर देता हूं 7, तो फिर हम लोग कितनी बार करेंगे? यहाँ पे तो 2 बार हो गया. अगर 2615 है तो देयर आर 2 टाइम्स वी विल हैव टू अप्लाई स्टेप नंबर 3, बिकॉज पहले हम लोग ने 615 को किया, फिर 5 को छोड़ दिया, 261, फिर आगे कोई नंबर नहीं है, मतलब यहाँ पे एग्जॉस्ट हो गए डिजिट्स. सो विल टेक 261 into 458. नाउ इन केस अगर 7 होता है यहाँ पे, तो देयर वुड हैव बीन थर्ड पॉसिबिलिटी, मतलब 3 टाइम्स अप्लाई करना पड़ता. थर्ड पॉसिबिलिटी क्या? अभी पहले 5 छोड़ा, अभी इसमें 1 भी छोड़ना पड़ेगा, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग 6 इंक्लूड करेंगे और यहां से हम लोग 7 इंक्लूड करेंगे. तो थर्ड पॉसिबल पेयर क्या है? 726 into 458. तो 3 बार हम लोग स्टेप नंबर 3 अप्लाई करते, 3 बार अप्लाई करते. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. कैसे अप्लाई करेंगे वो मैं बताऊंगा अगले एग्जाम्पल में. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. In example number 2, I have taken the same numbers which I solved earlier in the beginning of the video mentally. Why I have taken it? So that we understand the steps which I followed then. So here we have taken a 5-digit number and we have multiplied we are supposed to multiply it by a 3-digit number. Now, I have already made it clear that step number 1, 2, 2, 1 will remain same. So, इसमें भी वो same रहने वाला है. The only change will be step number 3. Let us understand कि step number 3 में क्या changes आएंगे. So, let us begin the multiplication and understand the steps at the same time. So, first step is last digit of both the numbers. We always start with right hand side numbers first. So 1 into 8 we'll have to do. What is 1 into 8? 8 is the answer and we write it over here. Is that clear? So now let's move on to step number 2. Last two digits we have to take. So from right hand side, two digits are 51 and 28 and we have to cross multiply. So it is 2 ones are 2 plus 5 8s are 40. So it's 2 plus 40, that comes to 42. Now we got two digits, so we write the digit at the units place over here and the digit at the tens place is carry forward. I hope it is clear. So we have to keep on adding the carry forward number in the next step. Now comes the most important step. Here we have to take all possible 3 digits. So now in number 2 we have only 3 digits. So number 2 में तो एक ही possible group form होगा 8 2 8. But number 1 में there are multiple possibilities because there are 5 digits now. So the first possible is always start with the right hand side first. So the first possible group is 351, right? And 351 को 828 से multiply कर देना है like this. Correct? So it comes to 3 8s are 24 plus 5 2s are 10 plus 8 1s are 8. That comes to 34 plus 8. 34 plus 8 is 42. I hope it is clear. 34 plus 8 is 42. 42 plus 4 we have to do. That comes to 46. Now which number do we write? The number at the units place. ये carry forward होगा तो 6 यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. Is that clear? Now, step number 3 is not yet over because we have to write all possible 3 digits we have to take and we have to multiply. So अभी 1 निकाल दो. अभी the next possible group is 235. 235 को कैसे करना है? Same way. 2 into 8, 5 into 8 and 3 into 2. I hope it is clear. So 2 into 8 is 16 plus 3 into 2 is 6 plus 5 into 8 is 40. That comes to 46 या फिर 56 plus 6 62. 62 plus don't forget the carry forward 4, that is 66. 6 will be carry forward and 6 यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. I hope it is clear. Now, still the digits are not exhausted in the first number. एक और group possible है 3 digits का. तो पहले हम लोगों ने 1 को exclude किया, अभी 5 को भी exclude करेंगे तो 723 is still left. 7 है यहाँ पे. तो same way हम लोगों को क्या करना है? 7 into 8. 7 into 8 is 56 plus what we have to do? 3 into 8, 24. That is 80. साथ में multiply भी करते जाते हैं. तो 2 into 2, that is 4. 80 plus 4, 84. Don't forget the carry forward 6. 84 plus 6, 90. We will write 0 over here and 9 will be carry forward. I hope step number 3 is clear. Step number 3 में there are 3 sub steps. तो मतलब हम लोग को step number 3 से 3 digits मिल गए. 6 6 0. I hope it is clear. अभी क्या करना है? Step number 4 पे जाएंगे. That is very simple. That is very clear that what we have to do. We have to take first 2 digits of both the numbers. तो first number का first 2 digit 72 है and second number का 82 है. तो क्या करना है? 7 into 2, 8 into 2. वो जो है वैसा ही रहने वाला है step. 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16. So it's 14 plus 16 but carry forward is 9. So 14 plus 16 if you do is 30 plus 9 is carry forward, it's 39. We will write down 9 over here and 3 will be carry forward this time. And we come to the last step, that is first digit of both the numbers, which is 7 and 8. So we have to multiply them. That is 7 into 8 is 56. Plus carry forward is 3, that comes to 59. Since it is the last step, we will write the entire number over here. And that is the answer for our multiplication. I hope you have understood this trick thoroughly. Yeah, it looks very complicated, but it is not and I have given you proof by doing it orally in the beginning, and that too quickly. So if you practice it, you will save a lot of time in exam. Do like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Before going, take one sum. 5987 multiplied by say 421. Try to do it with the help of this trick, and let me know in the comments down below whether you got the answer correct or not. Thank you for watching.